Troubleshooting your hydraulic transmission jack, VL. If oil is leaking from the cylinder nut, you need to inspect the cylinder for damaged seals. If the pump is working poorly, with half strokes, the oil level may be too high, or there's a vacuum in the oil reservoir. Lower the piston completely. Remove the oil plug and verify the oil level. Correct oil level is to the lower edge of the hole with the transmission jack in the lowest position. Remember to refit the plug. If the load is dropping, the release handle may not be properly closed or the spring in the release needs to be adjusted. If this does not solve the problem, you need to inspect the cylinder. The cylinder tube may be loose, or the cylinder seals may be damaged or worn and need to be replaced. If the transmission jack does not lift full capacity, and you have already checked that the release valve is properly closed, the pressure valve next to the pump pedal may need to be adjusted.